Hi, it's Sejal. Welcome to another episode of Shut Up Sejal. We are back, and in today's episode, we're talking about shady gigs, stuff I've never admitted that I've done. Neither do you guys. I don't like to admit to my friends, so let's dive in. Let's start with the definition of shady gigs. So, according to me, shady gigs are substandard work that you take up when you have a lot of desperation in life, no contacts, and lots of chill to make it big in life, which was like totally my life. So, by shady, by the way, like I don't mean like sleazy, creepy stuff. Yes, sleazy, creepy stuff has happened with me as well, but for most of it today we'll talk about like cringy stuff that I've done because I just had to do it. I had no other like way. So I don't know if you guys know. So I'm from Delhi and my dad is ex-army, my mom is also ex-army and doctor, engineer. मेरा भाई भी engineer, now investment banker. तो सब बहुत like conventional fields में है. And in my entire family is like दूर दूर तक भी all like super conventional fields, and nobody is like come close to like any sort of like creative thing at all. In fact, even like while I was growing up, I always knew since I was a kid I wanted to do something creative. Like मुझे तो star बनना था बचपन से, but I was always told कि like do something creative but something safe, like ऐसे media में कुछ कर लो or like ad agency. This is like, you know, हर I don't know, maybe it's the case for you guys as well. Your parents will get really scared if you express the desire to do something creative. तो मुझे हमेशा ये बोला जाता था कि कुछ backup होना चाहिए, like something to like come back on because this field is really scary. But मैं तो नहीं मानती थी. मेरा तो starting से ही set था कि मेरे को कुछ creative ही करना है life में. तो मैं कुछ 15 years की थी when I told my parents कि मुझे तो बहुत बड़ा स्टार बनना है, मुझे एक्टर बनना है. एटलीस्ट एट दैट टाइम एक ही ऑप्शन था ना, टू बिकम अ बिग स्टार. अब तो चेंज हो गई हैं चीज़ें. सो आई वाज लाइक कि हाँ मुझे बहुत बड़ा एक्टर बनना है एंड ऑल. तो मेरी मॉम एकदम से शी वाज सो स्कैर्ड. शी वाज लाइक नहीं यू नो बिकॉज इफ़ यू डू फोटो शूट्स आप मॉडल बन जाओगे तो बहुत वल्गर चीज़ें कराते हैं वो, ऐसे ऐसे पोज कराएंगे. आई वाज लाइक नहीं. एंड शी ऑल्सो सेड दैट ओ यू नो पीपल मे टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ यू, people may make you do things that you don't want to do, and you know I'm very scared. And I was like nee, but why will I do things that I don't want to do? Like don't you trust my judgment? And she was still like no. My dad on the other hand was like ठीक है तुम्हें जाना है इस लाइन में, ओके. तो उन्होंने एक्चुअली पेपर निकाला एंड एक फ्लो चार्ट बनाया. आई वाज लाइक पापा कितने सपोर्टिव है, लाइक मेरे लिए फ्लो चार्ट बना रहे हैं बैठ के. तो ये इतना क्लियर सीन मुझे याद है तब से. सो आई had no contacts, absolutely no contacts, but I had lots of like fire in life. This is the story of my first ever audition. And क्या ही audition मिलेगा आप सोचो. तो मैं डांस क्लासेस के लिए जाती थी. I went to this academy called the Dance Works, Ashley Lobo's academy, and there like I learned there for 6 years. And वहाँ पे ना randomly one day I saw this poster was put up, movie audition for teenagers. It was like a teenagers का romance, high school type of movie, or movie it was like proper movie audition. तो मैं बहुत excited थी. oh my god क्या है ये. एंड वो audition नोएडा में था और मैं गुड़गांव में रहती हूँ. and I was a 14-year-old kid. Now firstly how am I supposed to tell my parents कि please आप चलो मेरे साथ इस audition पे, ला वो तो पता नहीं क्या है. तो मैंने चुप चुप के पापा को बताया कि पापा ये मैंने पोस्टर देखा है एंड प्लीज़ चलो बहुत अच्छा होगा. तो मैंने 3-4 दिन बहुत कन्विंस किया उन्हें कि बस चलेंगे, कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ वल्गर नहीं होगा, बस ऑडिशन ये वो. फाइनली वो मान गए. एंड द डायरेक्टर वाज अ डायरेक्टर एंड ही वाज वेरी नाइस. लाइक ही गेव मी अ सीन, कोई ऐसे रोमांटिक बिटवीन टीनेज बॉय टीनेज गर्ल. एंड आई रिमेंबर बीइंग वेरी एम्बैरेस्ड कि उसे यहाँ पापा है एंड मैं घर पे तो बहुत शाय रहती हूँ. तो मैंने कहा नहीं आई विल बी अ प्रोफेशनल, बिकॉज मैंने सबके इंटरव्यूज़ में देखा था बी ऑन टाइम, बी प्रोफेशनल. तो पापा कहीं बाहर वेट कर रहे थे एंड वो किया सीन एंड आई वाज फुल कॉन्फिडेंट. आई डोंट नो कहाँ से आई वाज प्रिटेंडिंग टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड किया एंड इट वाज रियली नाइस. एंड द डायरेक्टर वाज आल्सो वेरी लाइक हाँ यू नो शी इज़ वेरी गुड ये वो. एंड मैं बहुत खुश हो गई कि ओ वाओ लाइक आई हैव टैलेंट एंड ऑल. तो हो गया वो. फिर हम घर गए एंड इस मूवी का आई रिमेंबर फेसबुक पेज था और मैं इतने क्यूटली फॉलो अप करी थी फेसबुक पेज पे मैसेज करके कि हाय आर द रिजल्ट्स आउट, बिकॉज आई थॉट लाइक रिजल्ट्स होंगे वेदर यू सिलेक्टेड और रिजेक्टेड, वो बता देंगे, बट नो रिस्पॉन्स एट ऑल. मैंने 3-4 बार पूछा होगा हाय एम आई सिलेक्टेड, but no response. So yeah, that was my first rejection. And then I realized that nobody ever tells you if you like try for something, there's no reason that whether you're selected or not selected, so people won't tell you basically. मेरे college की कोई senior थी who shot with some photographer, this really nice uncle, like I just saw his name and I cold messaged her, never spoken to this person, don't even know her, कि hi, like who took your photos, really admire your photos, la कुछ ऐसे मस्का मार के, and she told me कि हाँ, this is some photographer, you can just contact him. So I just contacted this photographer on Facebook. So मैंने उनसे पूछ लिया कि oh, you know, I really want to get my shoot done, so can I come? And he said okay fine, आप आ जाओ, हमारा एक photography course होता है, so you can just come and be the model that day. His studio was all the way again in Noida, and my parents were not comfortable with me traveling all the way to Noida. I was like 18, first year college में. तो फिर मैंने सोचा मैं क्या करूँ, तो मैंने उन्हें बताया ही नहीं. आई डोंट थिंक उन्हें आज तक पता है कि ये सब मैंने चीज़ें करी हैं, तो मैंने उन्हें बताया नहीं. मैंने कहा कि हाँ मैं जा रही हूँ टू माई फ्रेंड्स हाउस, यहीं पर ही मेट्रो लेके जा रही हूँ, एंड एक बार घर के बाहर तो घर के बाहर. दिस इज़ नॉट, यू शुड नॉट डू दिस, बाय द वे, दिस इज़ नॉट, आई एम नॉट encouraging this, but I had no, like I wasn't getting permission, and I knew कि I'm not doing anything scary, at least I hoped कि it'll be fine, because I trusted like my instincts कि अच्छा कुछ भी creepy होगा तो मैं वहाँ से फटाफट निकल लूँगी. तो मैं गई all the way metro लेके, and कि if something shady or creepy is happening over there, I trusted my judgment that I'll leave instantly. So I was like ठीक है, I will be responsible, and I just went all the way to Noida. वहाँ गई and I entered this like studio, and the photographer, he was an old uncle, like सरदार जी uncle. वो बहुत स्वीट थे, उन्हें देखते मुझे लगा ठीक है, यू नो यहाँ कुछ नहीं होने वाला. ही लुक्स वेरी नाइस. एंड एक फोटोग्राफी कोर्स चल रहा था. जस्ट इमेजिन गाइज, मेरे को इतना वो लग रहा था कि ओ माय गॉड, ऐसे आई एम जस्ट गोना पोज इन फ्रंट ऑफ दीज रैंडम पीपल जस्ट टू गेट माई फ्री फोटोज. सो इट वॉज लाइक द वियर्डेस्ट थिंग एवर. मेरा first time I got my makeup and like hair done with a proper makeup artist and like a hair person. वहाँ पे एक stylist भी थी, and they did my entire like makeup, like crazy eyeshadow and stuff, and I was feeling like oh my god, this is so exciting. Yeah, and this is like a main thing that I got from that makeup artist. I still remember it to this day. So I used to have these like डार्क जैसे तिल होते हैं ना फेस पे, लाइक मेरे यहाँ पे 3 थे, यहाँ 5 तिल थे मेरे. एंड शी सेड यू आर वेरी प्रिटी, लाइक तुम सुंदर दिखती हो, बड़े मोल्स ने तुम्हारी शक्ल का नक्शा ख़राब करके रखा है. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड, ये मुझे आज तक चीज़ याद है इतनी क्लियरली. मुझे उस मेकअप आर्टिस्ट का फेस भी याद है. एंड उसके बाद मैं इतनी सेल्फ कॉन्शियस हो गई थी अबाउट दिस वन थिंग, एंड फिर मैंने कुछ करके वो अब मोल्स तुम्हें दिखेंगे नहीं बिकॉज दे वेरी लाइट नाउ ऑन माई फेस. सो yeah, it's like comments like that, like you still remember. And मैं तब बच्ची थी, you know, I was like 18, so obviously I remember that. And even the stylist, like she put the clothes on me, and I thought नहीं मेरा sense of style से better है, तो मैं confidence आ गया कि I have good style. And बस post किया, different outfits पहने, and I just remember ऐसे 10 लोग photography के जो students थे, they were just taking photos. I was really like awkward and nervous, but I didn't let it like show. I just was like हाँ मेरे में full confidence है. बस मैंने कर लिया. And then I remember just telling the uncle, the photographer uncle, कि uncle sorry, I know आप इस सब के लिए चार्ज करते हो, but मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं. And he was so nice. He was just like कि ठीक है, I won't charge you for the photography, but maybe stylist और makeup artist को तो पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. And I said नहीं uncle, I don't have money, I'm really sorry. मैं एक और दिन आ जाऊँगी. And he was like fine. And उसी समय he took out just 5,000 rupees cash उनके पास था. And he just paid and he was like ठीक है तुम घर जाओ. And मुझे लगा वाह यार, like ये मुझे कहाँ से मिल गए. He's so nice. And at that time I remember thinking that oh, like if you really want something, तो किसी तरह जुगाड़ करके वो हो जाता है, क्योंकि मेरे पास पैसे भी नहीं थे, बट आई रियली जस्ट वांटेड दोस प्रोफेशनल फोटोज. तो पता नहीं कैसे हो गया. टॉकिंग अबाउट एन एड आई डिड, ओके, दिस इज़ लाइक, ये सब लोग मेरा मजाक उड़ाते हैं फॉर दिस एड. मैं एक फ़ोन के ऐड में थी जिसमें मैं कुछ नहीं करी थी, कोई मेन रोल भी नहीं था उसका. बट मैंने जब ऑडिशन किया था, आई वाज टोल्ड दैट आई गॉट कास्ट एज लाइक अ प्राइमरी कैरेक्टर एंड आई थॉट वाओ यार प्राइमरी कैरेक्टर क्या होता है. और मैं गई जयपुर में था शूट 2 दिन के लिए फुल एंड वी गॉट टू बी इन अ होटल एंड एवरीथिंग एंड अनदर फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन वाज देयर फ्रॉम कॉलेज हु वाज अ मॉडल. तो हम दोनों एक्साइटेड थे कि हाँ अच्छा के गए. तो हम गए, हमें पता चला कि हम तो साइड में हैं, कोने में. लाइक अगर हम होते भी नहीं तो भी ऐड बन जाती. लाइक कुछ भी प्राइमरी नहीं था अबाउट अस. एंड उसमें भी आई रिमेंबर जब वो शूट वूट हो रहा था, बहुत गर्मी थी एंड डायरेक्टर ने ऐसे ना मेरा नाम लिया था कि सेजल कैन यू गिव अ लाउडर एक्सप्रेशन एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ वाओ मेरा नाम कोई ले रहा है. सो एक छोटे से पार्ट में जहाँ कुछ एक्सप्रेशन देने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, मैंने ऐसे किया था. एंड ये एक्सप्रेशन मेरे हर दोस्त मेरा इतना मजाक उड़ाता था बिकॉज दिस एड यू केम ऑन टीवी, इट केम बिफोर माई ओन वीडियोज ऑन यूट्यूब एंड इट वॉज ऑल्सो इन स्टोर्स. यू नो लाइक वो स्टोर पे टीवी लगा के ये वाली एड चलाते हैं, तो बहुत मजाक उड़ा था. एंड ये मेरा फर्स्ट एवर एक्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस था गाइस. आई थिंक आई डिड रियली वेल. It's like life is kind of full circle. So basically, I had started making YouTube videos, okay? I had about like 30,000 subscribers when this happened. And in my comments, someone wrote, I remember that girl's name, but I won't take it. So someone wrote that, hey, you know, you're really pretty and like we'd love to like meet with you. I work at this agency and we'd love to meet with you and, you know, like see if we can cast you in a bunch of stuff. And I was like, wow, यार ये क्या है मेरे comments में आ रहा है. And I got very excited. I told my friend कि यार इसको मैं reply करती हूँ. So I replied to her comment कि hey, please email me. She didn't email and I was getting very desperate कि यार कब email करेगी. Then I found her on freaking Facebook with her name, photo match करके, YouTube का DP और Facebook का DP match करके. Then I messaged her on Facebook. I was like, hi, I just saw your comment on Facebook. Then she replied. Then she gave me her number and everything. And जब मैं बॉम्बे में थी, she called me to their office and I met them. She was really nice to me because she was my viewer. She even got me a cute little gift कि hi, it's so nice to meet you. क्योंकि उस समय मेरे 30,000 subscribers थे, तो थोड़ी चौड़ थी मेरी. But everyone else in that agency was really like weirded out, like why her, like why इसे क्यों इतना भाव मिल रहा है. That whole like up to down वाला look and everything. And they met me for 5 minutes and then बस okay, bye, we'll let you know, we'll call you, great. And because this girl was my viewer, like I just asked her what happened, like what's up, kya hui baat, and she told me that, you know, like I told them that you're amazing and everything, but everyone just said you look very young. I was 21 or something when I met these guys, 21, 22. And they thought I was 17. Why am I here? I'm just 17. I have baby face, chubby cheeks, very young looking. And I was like, oh, what the hell? And full circle, later the same agency, 4 years later when I was back in Bombay, they really wanted to sign me. And I was like, of course, this is amazing. तो मैं बहुत खुश हुई थी. It felt really cool कि all my hard work is like, you know, been like successful sort of. And that brings me to like why I love the internet, you know. I always talk about this a lot and I'm so glad that when I started, like internet was kind of taking more precedence because I love the fact that I can, you know, make a show and sort of like make my own thing and I don't have to depend on anyone to like cast me. And that was the biggest thing that attracted me being on the internet. And it just makes you feel cool. And I remember ऐसे shoots पे जो भी मैंने करे थे 2,000 1,000 के लिए, I was always called like model को इधर लाओ. And I always felt like मतलब I am a human, मेरा नाम भी है and I have more to offer to the world, you know. There's nothing wrong with being a model. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying like I hated that way of thinking that I have nothing else to add. Maybe it was those people who were working with me. And now I'm just like, yes, I've done it on my own and now I feel like no one can disrespect me. And even if they do, like I can give it back to them and just be like, no, you have no right to disrespect me. So I feel really cool that I, you know, do it on your own and now don't have to ask for permission. So yes, I stand the internet, man. So that's it. So I'm not ashamed of these shady gigs. I think सही था यार that I did them and everything. Oh shit, एक और shady gig वाली story थी, मैं बताती हूँ.
Please, edit बहुत लंबा होने वाला है. Just shut up, यार Sejal.
Hi, I'm Sejal. Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, hi.
Position लो जल्दी, you're late.
Okay.
और जब उसके दांत में दर्द हो ना, तो then just react and उसकी ओर देखना. बस, that's all you have to do.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Ready?
Ready.
Action.
एम्बुलेंस बुलाओ कोई, मैम को दर्द हो रही है. Are you okay? Ambulance!
कट 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 क्या कर रही हो तुम? You डायलॉग्स नहीं है तुम्हारे. You just have to look at her and you have to look shocked. बस.
Okay, I'll look shocked. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, let's start again. Action. What? Cut. Okay, you're really messing this up. It's very simple. Natural acting. थोड़ी बस उसकी ओर देखो and look shocked. That's it. Action. What? Cut. Natural acting. थोड़ी बस उसकी ओर देखो and look shocked. That's it.
Okay. I understood, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Action.
Are you okay?
Action. Cut. Okay, you know what? मैं कल से काम पे नहीं आ रही. I can't do this.
Ma'am, I'm sorry. Ma'am, one more chance. Ma'am, I'll do it again. One more take, ma'am. Alright guys, that was another episode of Shut Up Sejal. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, like, comment, bell button, जो भी available है ना सब कर देना. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
So the thing is that the life that I've been given is actually given by strangers on the internet, which is actually a very crazy thing. I mean, if you think about it, my entire life is handed over to me by a group of strangers who chose to view my content, accept my content, accept me as a person, and embrace me and follow me. And that's why I'm getting the opportunities that I'm getting. I think about my community like legit. A person who's been following me for a very long time DMs me something which might be a constructive criticism. It really hits me more than a constructive criticism that might come from like my dad. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel like this entire community, this audience has given me so much that I need to be grateful for.
Yeah.
And all of us creators need to be grateful for. Ultimately, we were nobody and they made us into somebody.